Morning, everyone. I just wanted to give you just a rundown of your to-do list this week. It's suggested to be done by Friday, but whenever you can get it, if by Friday is not enough, just do it whenever you have time, really. So on the stream, here's your to-do list. Just make sure you're familiar to log on to Big Ideas math textbooks, see if you understand how to submit assignments, and then see if you understand how to check reports on there. And then after that, in Classwork, you're going to see there's a Chapter 7, Section 2 assignment over complementary and supplementary angles. Just to remember, complementary add up to 90 degrees, supplementary angles add up to 180. You can use a calculator on it if you want. I actually think I give you one in that assignment, but if not, feel free to use it. And then there's an extra practice under Big Ideas, just so you're, again, practicing going online and using that resource that we have. So that's in the stream. That's your to-do list for this week. Again, you can complete them by Friday. In Classwork, this is what it should look like. Again, this is just my teacher view. So here's how to submit your answers online. And then it takes you through Ms. Schmidt. We're using her videos when she made it for her other classes, so you'll hear her voice of how to submit your answers. Just watch it if you're not familiar with how to submit answers. And then again, the Big Ideas textbook, how to log in. If you're not familiar with how to log in, just play around, get familiar with it. Here's the online textbook intro. It'll take you through all the resources that you have with the online textbook. So be familiar with that. And then once you feel like you got a good taste of what Big Ideas online textbook is all about, click on this Chapter 7, Section 2, and it'll be your assignment through Big Ideas. And then this Big Ideas extra practice. If you're already on Big Ideas, you can just go on to the login stream. Remember to log in with Clever. And then this is going to be the teacher edition. And then it'll take you through all these icons right here. And then it'll take you through a bunch of resources that you have. But it's going to be really good for you to click on assignments. Because if you click on assignments, these two assignments will pop up. And these are the two assignments that I want you to do. And you'll just hit, I think it says start over here, and start those assignments again. You can see one person submitted it with 100%, good job. And then 4 people submitted it and our average score was a 98. Good job on both of those. But again, the stream, if we go back to the stream, here's your to-do list. Just be familiar with Big Ideas and then get those 2 online assignments done. And the suggested date to get those done is by Friday. Again, the Classwork, all these resources and materials are for you. Your 2 assignments are right there. And then the 2 assignments are also on Big Ideas. Should be right here under assignments. Email me or let me know in the stream if you have any questions. I'll be on. Have a good day.